Squeeze it. Does anyone change the colours up sometimes? It's a green.
When it turns blue, we'll know.
I want to put it on the other side. Look at it, the ball's trying to get it.